Okay guys, so welcome to my another video. We are back on YouTube after a long while, and I'm starting a new series which is gonna be about teaching you all how to trade from scratch. Like, I'm gonna tell you everything I should have known from the start, which I didn't know, which would help me a lot if I knew. I'm gonna teach you from the basics to some advanced stuff to become profitable. So first thing first, let me show you how I made money today. Look, here I bought and here I sold. And today I made 600 euros from this trade. Look, you see execution here and you see the profit over here, which I made today. So let's go over today. First thing is going to be like, I will not teach you stuff about the market, but I will just teach you like the basics, like what is the market, what do you do when trading and stuff. So when trading, you basically bet where the price wants to go. Like, you look, I bought, I predicted it was gonna go higher and it did, and here I sold and made 600 profit. But also, it's not like big Bitcoin, like here, like, oh, I just buy here and hope it does this. It's not like this. It just, you also can make money when it's going down. Like, if I here pressed sell, look, sell, I pressed sell, and then if it went down, you see I could have made money. But yes, so it's just not like, it's basically betting where the price wants to go, but it's not gambling because you can predict this shit. You can predict it, and you can make a lot of money, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. So if you you think you're gonna be profitable in, like, you're gonna be making 10,000 of euros in the next 3 months, then you can just stop watching this video, because I was thinking the same thing. Like, people were telling me the same things, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna be different. I'm gonna be different. No, I lost ton of money before I started making money. So if you're a pussy, then just stop watching. Like, bro, this is not for like weak people, bro. You gotta be locked in. You can beat 1%. You can. Just don't give up, okay? So over here, so basically, yeah, market just goes up or down. As you can see, line, look, market goes up and market goes down, and you predict that shit. So, but we use candles. We use candles because of things that candles help us with. Like, candles help us predict the market. Like over here, look, I entered off because of candles, because I saw an IFVG. IFVG. If I know you don't know what is it, most of y'all don't know what the IFVG is, but it just when market inverses. But look, here right now, you don't even know what this is, but in like few days, you will know what is IFVG. You will know what is liquidity. You will know like what is market trend. You will know like what the candles do. Yeah, today I will teach you like what the candles do. Look, so my chart has different colors, but when you don't know TradingView, you just see this. Okay, this is candle down. Like, look, this black candle is candle down. Okay, so what are those candles? Let me tell you. Wait, let me do this. Oh wait, it's not that beautiful, okay? But don't hate me for this, okay? Look. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is a bearish candle, aka downward candle. So this black candle, you see, went down. It has this wick and this wick. So what does it mean? So if the candle is red, it opened here, because you know it went down. Here is where it opened. Here is where it went. Look, like, you see. Wait, let me show you. Okay, you see this candle, where did it open? Like, wait, where did it open? Think about it. Where did this candle open? Okay, it's the green candle. Okay, so it opened here and went up, and these wicks, you see, mean where the candle was like highest. Look, it was here, you saw, and now it's going down. It's going like, fuck, like going down, and you see it also was down here, and look, it here, you just saw it closed. This is the candle closed. This is the green candle. It opened here, it closed here. Look. What did with this candle happen? Did it open here? Nope, it opened here. Highest it was here. The lowest it was here, but it ended up closing over here. Look, we are forming a fair value gap right now, but I'm not gonna talking about it. I'm just gonna tell you. So tell me about this. Tell me about this. So here, what is this? 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 Come on, come on, come on. Tell me, tell me, tell me. This is candle open. Candle open. Okay. This thing, this thing, this thing, this whole thing. What the fuck? Okay. This thing is a bearish candle, aka short. Short is going lower, aka just candle went down. That's bearish. Wait. Let me type this. Let me type this so you know. Bearish. Okay. Let me do it red so you know better. Like boom. This is bearish. Okay. This is candle open because it went lower, so it opened here. This is the highest point where the price was, like as you saw here. Here you see, and this is where it closed. Like candle close over here. Candle close. Wait, let me write this sheet. Candle close. Okay, here it closed. Okay, and this is the lowest point of the price. This is the highest point of the price. Now let me do the same thing, but with what color? With green, of course. So green candle. Okay. Wait, let me make it wider a bit. Okay, let me put it somewhere like here next to this candle. In the middle. Okay, one. So what's with this candle? Okay, it's bullish, like bull, you know. Bullish is this when it went up, so it's long. Long is up, bullish is up, short is down, short is bearish. Okay, so this is bullish. Okay, let me do it. Let me make it green so you know better. Bullish. Okay, so where is the candle open here? The candle open is right here because it opened here and it went up. So candle open. Okay, candle open. This is candle open to here. Lowest point where the price was, it was here. So, and the highest point of the price where it was is right here. Okay, candle close. It's the candle close. I don't know what did I say. I think I said some bullshit. But here's the highest point of the price where it was. This is the lowest price. And here it opened, here it closed. The bearish, short, downwards. Here it opened, here it closed. Highest point, lowest, lower point. Okay, lowest. So now here, look. Okay, this candle opened here, closed here, lowest point here, highest point here. Okay, so I have a homework for you. So just go over the market, just check the candles and like do a screenshot and do this to it, like edit it and post it to my Discord, which is in the description, and like talk about like where did the candle open, where did it close, highest point, lowest point, you know. Okay, so let's talk now about time frames. So time frames, look, time frames are just like daily time frames. Like every one candle forms in a day. Look, this candle is still forming. It has 1 hour and 37 minutes left. This was yesterday, and look, you see, if I go to 1 minute, 1 hour, then this daily candle turns into 24-hour candles. 24 candles, not really 24, but we're gonna talk about it later about sessions. Okay, but here you can see just you see how this is today. Look, it's today. Okay, and here, look. Okay, we have weekly, daily, 4 hour. Like I use 50-minute a lot. Look, you see, every 50 minutes one candle forms. Look, here is 1 minute. Okay, here it 50 seconds. This candle will form, and then we will see another candle. Okay, look. Let's talk about this like to yourself. Okay, here the candle opened. This is the highest point. Okay, let's see what it will do right now. Okay, so look, you see, this was the highest point. It went here, but it didn't like show, and now it went lower. You see, it might even go lower. Here, make a bigger wick, and then go higher. We have some liquidity here. This liquidity, I will be teaching you this later. But today I want to talk about like time frames and just candles basically, and like West trading. So we will just wait 15 more seconds. I will really appreciate a subscribe and a like. If y'all like, I know my English is not that good, but I really hope I'm helping y'all. So look, this candle will close in 3 minutes, and we will see another candle right here. Okay, you see, we have another candle here. It just didn't do anything yet. And you see, the highest point of it was here, lowest point of it was here. Talk about this candle. Okay, open, close, highest point, lowest point. Okay, so that is it for today. In the next video, I'm gonna be talking about like, I don't know, but just join the Discord, like and subscribe. Peace, y'all.